Welcome everyone, Team 7 on another adventure here at Universal Orlando again. At Universal Studios. Oh, happy Cinco de Mayo. Large t-shirt, tacos and tequila. That's what it's all about. Anyway, we're headed on Fast and Furious Supercharged.
It says it very largely on the building.
Does it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And unbeknownst to my wife, announced to the rest of us, we're going to Voodoo Donuts after this. Get ourselves a donut. Join us.
Aproveitar a estrutura do...
This is Ted, playing Big Brother, of course, watching over the last race as it grinds through the streets of San Francisco. You see my man Dom Toretto, he's leading the pack as they race to the finish line at Sullivan's. You see, that's where the after party is going down. So we will load y'all to the party buses soon. Hang tight.
This is a system that allows you, in a panic situation, hit that brake pedal as hard as you possibly can without the fear of locking up the tire and losing control of your car.
One day. Yeah. Hey guys, come on in, all in. Oh, Mia's calling. Hey Mia, what's up, girl?
Hey Pat, I see our party goers have arrived.
Yeah, they just got here. They're not really excited.
Hey everybody, I'm Mia, Dom's sister. Well, another race just wrapped, and it looks like my brother won another car for his collection.
That's him.
Honestly, I don't know why anybody challenges him.
Me neither.
Well, we're meeting up at Sullivan's garage for the after party, and while Tej works on your rides, you guys enjoy the break room. My brother calls this the family room. Dom says he doesn't have friends, he has family. And the faces you see on these walls are our family. When I'm in this room, I feel like we're all together again. So, welcome to our family.
Welcome to the family. Oh, that's Tej. Hey Tej, you wanna bring her monitor with Mia?
All right. What's up, Mia?
Hey Tej, just welcoming these good people to our family. How are their rides coming along?
The rides are ready to roll out and roll out in style.
All right. I'll let Dom know. You guys have fun at the party.
Bye, Mia.
Bye, Mia.
All right, Pat.
Yes.
Let's get these people on their way. Send them over to the war room.
Will do, sir. About the party.
Hi, guys. Hello. Hi. My name is Jamie, if Pat didn't already tell you. And this is the war room.
Yay!
This is where Tej does all his tech magic-y stuff. Oh, just don't touch that, because last time I touched it, it like blew up a little bit, and it like frazzled the screen cracked, and I was like, oh my god! Oh, hang on 1 second.
Jamie,
Yeah.
the buses are here.
Okay, cool. So we're sitting at this big group of people out the doors right now. Oh, Dom's
I got this, Jamie.
You.
Dom, what up?
Hey.
Tej, just got a heads up from Hobbs. The FBI is about to raid your location.
Again?
Man, they always ruining our fun.
No.
It gets worse. They're leading Owen Shaw right to your door.
Shaw? That cockroach we beat down in Spain? What's he got to do with this?
Nothing yet. And let's keep it that way. Get those people on those buses. You need to start bugging out right now. And get that turbo truck ready. I'm sending Letty there to pick it up.
Texting her the stats.
I'm on it.
We're not.
Hobbs needs our help. He needs our team. Spread the word. But keep it in our family. And keep it quiet.
Nail. Actually, guys. Good work. Not bad. It's a hot
Time to enter the party bus. Ooh, ooh. Electra.
Listen up, everybody. My man Hobbs wants to talk directly to you, so I'm patching him through now.
My name is Special Agent Luke Hobbs of the U.S. Diplomatic Security Service, and as of 16.9 seconds ago, I'm the man in charge. There's a high-value witness from the Federal Protection Program aboard your vehicle. An international crime syndicate led by Owen Shaw is honing in on this vehicle to take that witness out. Shaw's as ruthless as they come. He'll stop at nothing to eliminate his target. Every living soul on this vehicle is in serious danger. Other than that, enjoy the ride.
Hey guys, we're gonna keep you safe from Shaw, but to keep you safe we need your help. So please turn off your cell phones and put away your cameras. Because one flash or ringtone could give us away. And remember, if you got a problem, we'll deal with it together.
This is what we're doing. This is the race day after party, and what other?
Roman Pierce, FBI, don't move.
Damn, that's right. Party's over. You know how long I took to iron this shirt, man? I'm not.
You're under arrest right now.
Ladies, just back up a little bit. Got it. It's lightweight. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. Cop, I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours. Hobbs, escort this novice out. Let's go, Cookie Puss. You got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in emergency.
See what I'm talking about?
I'll be back.
Man.
It was on vibrate. Shaw traced us. Hobbs can't hold it forever. Letty, Roman, we're up. Driver, move that vehicle. It's about to get real interesting. The Mona Lisa's all warmed up right next door.
Okay, gang, no flash photography and no cell phones. And keep very quiet.
Which one of you is the witness? Speak now or you all get tried!
This is our turn.
After them! fact that is Fast and Furious, boy.
It's very aerodynamic. That's a big word.
I'm more concerned about the
Spring?
springs up there.
Oh, look at the
Very
paint.
large.
Look at all of
That looks like a puzzle.
Looks like a bunch of magazines.
them.
Made
Oh, yeah, you know.
a bunch of magazines cut out.
Oh, it's out of recycled magazines. It's fine. Yeah, I like that. See, I would wear this. I would definitely wear this. Okay, so we just exited Fast and Furious Supercharged. Got the full ride. Sort of POV. Lecture so little. So usually the POV is the back of somebody's head. But I'm gonna reserve my my reaction to it. I'm gonna treat it like Flight of Passage. I'm gonna ride it a few times before I come to a conclusion. But what I feel right now about it, that little bowl of Dippin' Dots right there is about as exciting as that ride was.
It's more exciting than that.
But yeah, Dippin' Dots is probably more exciting. But we'll see. I guess it's more about the franchise than the actual experience. Are you getting wet? But anyway, we're on our way to Voodoo Donuts. Gonna get ourselves some diabetes in a box. Join us. We're here. Okay, so we have aborted the Voodoo Donuts. Actual wait time was longer than some of the rides inside the park. Oh, sorry, splashed them. But yeah, the wait time. Wait time was longer than some of the rides, so.
You're too full.
Weird, exactly. We've already had too much food, too much tequila, and we're bougie annual pass holders. We ain't waiting on no damn line. Where you running? Where you running? You running? Juju on that beat? Juju on that beat?
Do that in public.
Not in public. We're not allowed to do that in public. So anyway, we're gonna end the vlog right here. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see when we upload more videos, more adventures. Don't forget to hit that notification icon if you want to be alerted every time we upload a new video. And until the next adventure, deuces. What is it all? It's a double rainbow. What does it all mean? Oh, it's a complete rainbow too. Wow.